In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the slide orientation from landscape to portrait in PowerPoint. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Go ahead and open the presentation where you want to change the slide orientation. If you don't already have one open, you can create a new blank presentation so you can follow along easily. Once your presentation is open, I want you to look toward the top of the PowerPoint window. You'll see a row of tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, and so on. The one we're interested in is called Design. Click on the Design tab. This tab controls the overall look and layout of your slides, which is why the orientation setting lives here. With the Design tab open, move your attention to the right side of the toolbar. You should see an option called Slide Size. On some screen sizes, it might just appear as an icon with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on Slide Size and a small menu will appear. In that menu, choose Custom Slide Size. This will open a separate window where you can control the exact dimensions and orientation of your slides. This is the main place where you switch between landscape and portrait. In the Slide Size dialog box, look for the section labeled Orientation. You'll see options for slides, and underneath or beside it, options for notes, handouts, and outline. For now, we're focused on the slide's orientation. You'll see two choices: Landscape and Portrait. Landscape is the default wide layout, and Portrait is the tall layout. To change your slides to Portrait, simply select Portrait under the Slides section. You can leave the size preset as it is, unless you need a specific dimension for printing or a particular screen format. For most users, the default settings work perfectly. When you're ready, click OK to apply the change. PowerPoint might ask whether you want to maximize the content or ensure it fits. If you already have content on your slides, choosing the option to ensure fit can help keep things from being cut off, although you may still need to adjust some elements manually afterward. Once you confirm, your entire presentation will switch from landscape to portrait orientation. You can now go through each slide and adjust text boxes, images, and other elements so they look the way you want in this new vertical layout. And that's all you need to do to change your PowerPoint slides from landscape to portrait.